Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, here you go. There's not a simpler snack or a more delicious snack in the world. You start off with some salsa. This is Herdez salsa. This is medium. You can make your own salsa. I got videos for that. But this is a simple snack. You got the original Philadelphia cream cheese. And you have some Tostitos. Hey, Mike Foster here. I'm not kidding about this. Simple, simple, simple snack. I'm going to call it my salsa and cream cheese. You know how I'm going to put it together. Fast, simple, and easy. And it's a delicious snack that you can put out there for parties. And, you know, people will say, man, this is great. I want to take it to prepare this. You can just say, well, this long. Check it out. All right, you want simplicity. You open up the cream cheese. Now this guy, try to get a nice square of it. I'm going to put half down. You see that? Of course you see it. It's right in front of you, right? There you go. So put that baby, ooh, that's the start. Put it right in the center. Yeah, and then you take the salsa, I swear to God, it's this simple, and you pour it over the top like that. And you spill it to the sides like that. Oh, is that gorgeous? Yes, it is. Then you take some chips and you put them around there like this. That's the close-up too. Fast, simple, and easy. Salsa and cream cheese snack. But no one cares how easy it looks or how easy it is to make unless it tastes great. So we're gonna take a dip into it. Oh, you'll get a close with me eating it. See you there. There it is. Try to taste it. Oh! The cold creaminess of that cheese contrasts with the spiciness of the salsa, and it works every time. I have like simple recipes. I have all kind of recipes at Live Life 365, my YouTube channel. Check it out. Tell people about Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
There it is. Voila! I told you it was simple. Sweet pepper. You just take it like this, and you take a piece. Now me, I like a lot of salsa, so I just take more salsa. I just keep putting it on there until you see the salsa. Oh, and then it falls. Seriously, try it. Try it. Baba.